Luke Konjorski here with yet another edition of Luke's Tuesday Tip. Now, why Tuesday Tip? Well, that's simply because tomorrow's Wednesday. Now, we're going to go ahead and put some cabinet hardware on now that these cabinets are painted. There's a couple ways that you can do that. There's the old way where you can take a measuring tape and measure these out and kind of line them up, and that always doesn't work. So the best way to get your cabinet hardware straight is to actually use a template. No, I'm not talking about this. I'm actually talking about something that looks a little like this. Okay, this is called a cabinet hardware template. It's very, very simple. All you do is pop this in the corner here. You're going to measure up how big your cabinet hardware is. I know that this is 3 inches. Make a mark. Make another mark. And what you'll do, double check your markings here. Make sure that you're lined up real good, like, which I am. Then you'll start making some holes.
A few moments later.
All right, now that you got your holes in there, you're gonna grab your cabinet screws, your cabinet hardware, pop them in the back. Trusty drill. Line her up, zip her in. Nice and easy. Don't overdo it. You don't have to put them super tight on there. Get the bottom one. Voila. That's it. Nice cabinet hardware. Repeat that step. You'll just flip this template over the other way and do those sides, and there you are. That's Luke's Tuesday Tip. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next Tuesday.